Right. Just what the doctor ordered. Of course, Chief Meteorologist Marcus Bagwell, along with the slow soaking rain, that's what we needed,
really
and
is.
that's what we're getting.
Yeah.
Yes.
How about that? Usually it rains too fast, and then we have erosion. It is
So
true.
true, though. yeah.
That's a good way to put it. Yes, we like the rain that we have received. If we could receive more like this with spurts of sun,
There we go.
some warmer temperatures,
Give and take
the
here.
balance. Okay, we do have another opportunity for rain at the end of the week.
There we go.
Okay.
Perfect.
All right. We're going to try to satisfy everybody, but the cool weather is still going. Yes, you're right. Cool weather's still going to stick around. All right. First of all, while we're thankful for the rain, got to put it into perspective though that it's just not enough to bust the drought. We are certainly in a developing drought situation that could lead to burn bans maybe in the next couple of weeks. The overall forecast trend is to remain drier than normal, and this has been a well below normal month for precipitation. So a lot of us are in the severe to the extreme drought. Put this into perspective. Last time we had widespread severe, that's the area of orange in East Texas, you got to go all the way back to 2020, February the 4th. And then the last time that we had any area of extreme drought, level 4 out of 5 in the red, you've got to go back to September the 4th of 2018. So it has been at least almost 3 years, 3 months since we have had any extreme drought, and then any widespread severe got to go back to almost 2 years. So we're going to take any rain that we can get, but we could really use a lot more heading into the springtime. Maybe that's when we will get the opportunity to at least alleviate some of the drought concerns. These are the rainfall totals from today. We've seen some amounts pick up a bit more in our central and northern areas. Mount Pleasant, instead of just a couple of 100s, now up to over a 1/10 of an inch. Quitman now at a quarter. Wood County Airport also at a quarter. We've had some steadier rainfall there. We'll check the radar in just a moment. We've had about a 1/2 inch in northeast Cherokee County, around Jacksonville, 6/10 of an inch. Same for Athens, Tennessee Colony, near Palestine, close to 9/10 of an inch of rain. Minden and Henderson at about 35 100s. And we've had about a 1/2 inch down in the Lufkin area, about 2/3 in portions of Houston County. We have the steady rain from up near Sulphur Springs coming back down through Smith County into Gregg County, and then also some steadier rain in deep East Texas. The upper disturbance is pushing through, and the rain is coming to an end across our southwest areas. What we're concerned about in our southwest counties, from Henderson down to Trinity County, is going to be the risk for some patchy dense fog that may develop just ahead of our cold front. There's already a dense fog advisory in place right now for Henderson and Anderson counties until 6 a.m. for tomorrow. More counties could be added to that. On the radar, here's the steadier rain that's been picking back up. We had some pockets of some moderate to heavier rain. Now, that heaviest rain now, it looks like it's along Highway 31, just east of the loop there. So a pretty wet evening from Overton back over toward the Tyler area, and then that's approaching near Kilgore. This is moving northeast, so Longview, you had a break in the steadier rainfall in the last hour. It's picking back up from your southwest. Gilmer, you're starting to see some of the rainfall too. Down in deep East Texas, we've had some steadier rain as well in San Augustine County. Now that rain is located over in portions of Sabine County, and that rainfall will continue to move over into the parishes of Louisiana. Futurecast has the rain decreasing as we go through the next few hours, with most of it pulling away after about 1 or 2 a.m. into tomorrow morning. Cloud cover will continue to remain. Now the wind starts to turn to the north and to the northeast. This is going to help dry things out into the afternoon, but notice how the clouds may take a long time for our southern counties to actually see the sun. You'll probably see it very late in the afternoon, but that's going to be limited. That'll impact how temperatures will play out for tomorrow, but we are expecting these clouds to decrease. We'll go to the lower in the mid 50s as those clouds clear into the afternoon. We've got a northeast wind at about 10 miles an hour. Now the reinforcing shot of cold air actually moves in on Wednesday. Morning lows just below freezing. Afternoon highs are going to have a difficult time making it to 50 despite sunshine. Clouds build Thursday. Rain chances Thursday night. Now it looks like through at least the first part of the day on Friday, we'll have some rainfall. But look at the final 3 days in the 7-day forecast. Temperatures begin to warm back up to the middle 60s maybe by next Monday. For deep East Texas, a lot of clouds tomorrow, but some late day sun We'll get a lot more on Wednesday before another rain chance moves in late Thursday into Friday.
All right, Marcus, thank you.
And it's time for sports.